Hey guys, welcome back. Vaibhav Nigam here. Imagine if you're in the middle of your work. You're doing a very important work and your phone dings. Yes, you know that sound. Your brain has heard that sound a million times. You're doing a very important work and still you took out that phone to check out the notification because your brain responded instantly. So let's take another example. If you're given a choice to read a book for 1 hour or watch your favorite movie, which one actually you will choose? Watching a movie or reading? Let's take another example. If you're given a choice to play a video game for an hour or you want to run for 1 hour, which one you will actually choose? I'm 100% sure that you know which thing is important in your life, which can give you a boost in your life. We all know what is right, but still we choose the things that probably don't matter much in our life. So now the main question is why we perform like this. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can choose things so that you can be a better version of yourself and become successful in your life. It really doesn't matter what your goals are. If you want to be truly successful in your life, if you want to be a topper, if you want to be wealthy, if you want all the materialistic thing in your life, just watch this video till the end so that you can understand everything completely, and by that, you're gonna perform better in your life. See, our brain revolves around a neurochemical which is called dopamine. And dopamine is a feel-good chemical in our brain. Thanks to dopamine, this is the number one reason that we crave, that we want. Do you want a new mobile? Do you crave for that one? Or you are craving for that favorite pastry? Or you're craving for anything? That's because this dopamine, it releases inside our brain and creates a want, a desire in our life that we really want to have no matter what. Dopamine compels you to do what you really want to do in this life. That's the reason whenever we are thinking that we should study right now, we feel, let's watch another episode on Netflix. That's the reason we love to eat junk food, though we know it's not good for our health. That's the reason that we finish the entire Netflix series probably in just one day. And that's the reason that we scroll over Instagram all the time. It's because of dopamine. And now when we're gonna think about it, dopamine controls our entire life. All the actions that we are taking right now is actually controlled by the dopamine. Whatever decisions that we are taking right now is controlled by the dopamine. If we have any desires, if we have any wants, it's all because of the dopamine. Do you realize one thing? That a drug addict who is actually wasting his entire life is equivalent to you not to study. Just think about it. It's the same effect, the dopamine effect. A drug addict who is consuming drugs every day and the person who is not studying, it's all controlled by dopamine. So that's why it is very important to detox the dopamine. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how. And if I'm talking about detox the dopamine, it means that we need to control or probably to remove the things that are giving pleasures in our life that probably don't mean much. Are you wasting your entire day on social media? Watching Netflix? Playing video games? Chatting to your best friends, your girlfriend, boyfriend? If that's so, and you know these things probably don't mean much because there's a lot of important things that you need to achieve in your life. And that is the sole number one reason that we need to detox this dopamine. But here's the catch. What if I told you that you're gonna get the same feeling, a happy feeling, as you play video game in studying? Then you're gonna get successful, right? And for this, we need to detox our brain, this dopamine, so that our brain can remove all the unnecessary temptations in our life. So before giving you the tips that how you can detox this dopamine, I just want to give you a small disclaimer that by doing all these steps, it won't make you a different person. You won't change the perspective of your life. You will still love to play video games. You will still love to watch your Netflix series. Might still love to have your junk food. But by detoxing this dopamine, the temptation will decrease. Next time when you will be working on some important assignment and your phone dings, at that precise moment, you won't open your phone to check out that notification. I can assure you that. And this is a very important thing, right? So let's start with this topic. So the main question of this video is how should we perform our own dopamine detox? And for that, we need to find out our number one temptation, which is actually making us distracted from doing the right thing. Are you addicted in playing video games? Are you really addicted in watching Netflix series? Are you addicted to porn? Are you addicted to junk food? You need to identify your own temptation. Write it down. Take one piece of paper, open your journal and write down all your temptations, which is actually filling your entire day. Once you found out your own temptation that you need to remove in your life, the next thing that you need to do is you need to detox it for 24 hours. For the next 24 hours, you need to detox it by dopamine fasting. For that, we need to start beforehand. When we're gonna wake up tomorrow morning, we need to be ready by doing all these things right now, by preparing everything right now. So take out your journal and write down the important things that needed to be done for the next day. If you want to study, if you want to do some assignment, if you want to read a book, what are the things that you truly know will make a difference in your life? And before sleeping, you need to disable all the notifications, especially from all the social media that probably don't mean much. Yes, I understand that you cannot disable the notifications of your WhatsApp or probably your Gmail, but all the other notifications of Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and many other social media platforms you can disable. Do all these things beforehand and then go to sleep, because from the next day, you will have a tunnel vision, a focus towards your goal. So what is the first thing generally we do when we wake up in the morning? We took our phone out and start looking for all the notifications. But this time, it's all disabled and you are not touching your phone. Start doing important things. Start doing stretching. For 20 minutes, try to exercise. Try to run, meditate. Do the important things that means in your life. I know you might be struggling. Yeah, it might be hard. After all, it's your first day, right? But believe me, by the end of the day, you will feel confident about it. You will be happy because you did something which means importance in your life. So for the next 24 hours, you're not touching your phone. If it's important, that's a different case. But right now, the main focus is to do all the things which means something in your life. I suggest that this 24-hour fasting will help you out in bringing out the best version in yourself. In case you feel the temptation to check out your phone, then in that case, you need to make sure that you do all the important things that you have already written down. And after completing, then you have the luxury to check out that phone, to check out all the notifications from the social media. Probably for 1 or 2 minutes, that's it. You're not doing that after all. You're not going to sit with your phone for that 24 hours. And after completing that 24 hours, I can assure you that you're going to feel good about it. Take that diary out again and start writing your own feelings. How did you feel? Did you feel good about it? Or do you feel frustrated? If you're going to feel good about it, try it for the next 24 hours, and the next 24 hours, for 48 hours, for a week, and try to implement this in your lifestyle. If you're struggling, then you can check out your phone for a few minutes, but not more than that. You're not sitting with your phone for hours and hours, understand? Try to understand your own behavior. Is it changing? I'm sure it will. That's the reason I'm asking you to write down all the details, all your feelings, so that you can look back and try to understand whether I was doing the right thing or not, whether I was grabbing my phone again and again or not, whether I was feeling the temptation of checking out my social media or not. And after completing your 24 hours of dopamine fasting, do let me know in the comment section what you actually feel. Do you feel the sense of empowerment after the detox? Do let me know. So I hope you understand this topic and I hope you're gonna do this in your life. Do let me know in the comment section what you're feeling. I hope you're feeling positive and confident that you're gonna do better in your life and you're gonna achieve success no matter what. So I hope you like this video. If you do, then do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam. Do also check out this next video. I hope this will also give you an insight in your life that how you're gonna achieve greatness. My name is Vaibhav Nigam. Till then, I'll see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.